This is INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and today I will show how you can use the Talkback feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Here, find and enter the Accessibility category. Maybe it is hidden under the System Preferences. Yep, here it is. Then go for the, Talkback. Now you can, manually enable or disable it from this Preferences and Settings page like that.
Close to. Allow a double tap to use on. Stop. Talkback off.
But there is rather a more convenient way to do that. Just enable the Talkback shortcut option, or allow all the preferences and settings, and now you have this very useful button which allows you to switch on or off the Talkback from wherever you are at the system. You will not need to go all the way into the System, Accessibility, and Talkback. So tap once to enable Talkback, and that's how you switch it off. Here you also have the Talkback settings, which you can also play with, which is up to you. Next, you also have even more alternative Talkback toggling methods, such as the volume keys. So you can enable or disable the Talkback by holding both volume keys simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Or at least you should be able to do that. Let's see. Yeah, my bad guys, I've actually misinterpreted the text here. The volume key shortcut is only good for disabling Talkback. So once it is enabled, press and hold both of them for 3 seconds and the Talkback feature should be disabled. Which is not happening for some mysterious reason. As you can clearly see, I'm doing everything as is written here. Maybe let me try an alternative grip. Maybe that's the grip that prevents me from being able to disable this feature using volume keys. Anyway, yeah, the INFINIX should really work on their instructions. As far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.